Welcome to Funny Thailand News. This is gonna blow your mind. Add a massive pride parade and you've got a party for the ages. Imagine a rainbow exploding over the Chao Phraya River. Now bottle that energy, crank the music, and toss in 10,000 joyous people. That's Bangkok Pride. The streets were a sea of smiling faces. Rainbow flags were everywhere. Even the tuk-tuks were decked out in glitter. I swear I saw a dog wearing a rainbow tutu. Peak Thailand. The energy was infectious. People were dancing, singing, and just radiating joy. It was impossible not to get swept up in the excitement. Strangers high-fived each other. Someone handed me a mango sticky rice. Honestly, it was magical. Okay, let's talk fashion. Bangkok Pride is not for wallflowers. People went all out. Feathers, checks, sequins, honey, please. One group was dressed as durian fruit, another was channeling their inner mermaid. My personal favorite, a guy dressed as a sparkly, rainbow-colored pad thai noodle. I mean, come on, genius. It was a delightful explosion of creativity. Everyone was serving looks and loving every minute of it. The best part? No judgment. Just pure, unadulterated self-expression. People were free to be themselves in all their glittery, glamorous glory. It was truly inspiring. Bangkok Pride is more than just a party, it's a powerful statement. A declaration that love is love, no matter who you are or who you love. It's about acceptance, tolerance, and celebrating our differences. Seeing so many people come together, united in their love and support, was incredibly moving. It gave me hope. Hope for a future where everyone feels safe and celebrated for being their authentic selves. So, tell me, have you ever been to a Pride event? What are your favorite ways to celebrate diversity and inclusion? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Click like and share and subscribe to Funny Thailand News to get more news from Thailand with a funny twist.